What type of equipment do you need to make YouTube videos? I've designed this video as an intro to this playlist, so please check out this playlist in the chapters and view each of the videos. There'll be about 10 or 11 videos in this, and we'll answer questions such as how to set up a HDMI capture card with a camera, complete webcam tutorial for recording and streaming video, how to set up a USB audio mixer audio interface for video or podcasting, the best wireless mics for cameras, cheap action camera to be used as a webcam for streaming, can you use an action camera as a webcam, how to use a Canon DSLR as a webcam, a cheap HD webcam for YouTube, can you use a cheap action camera for vlogging, how to get top-down shots, and how to set up 3-point lighting. So that's an overview of what's contained in this playlist. However, a lot of this information, if you watch it in full, it'll actually give you some insider information. So a lot of these things are things I've progressed onto. Some of these are old videos, some are newer videos, but you'll basically pick out the best bits of my journey, so it'll save you a lot of time. Have a look through all the videos, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If they are answered in the video, please have a good look at that, because I know some comments from people that have watched the video have given some great facts. For example, using different cameras, so you can use a HDMI capture card to make your old camcorder into a camera for live streaming or making videos. You can use DSLR cameras. There's lots of options for using your webcam, and the main thing that is going to be your friend is getting good light. So get a cheap camera and get a good light, and you'll be well on your way to creating videos. I'll link you to the playlist here, so check that out and that will help you. I may have sent you here from another comment, or you may have asked me a question. I've sent you this link, so I'm hoping this helps you. See you on this video.